If you're in the market for a cutting-edge solution to take the hassle out of home cleaning, this Xiaomi Robot Vacuum Cleaner S10 Plus is a product that's likely caught your attention. As we delve into this review, you'll discover why this robotic vacuum cleaner is more than just a sleek gadget. It's a game changer for keeping your floors spotless. Designed with powerful suction, smart navigation, and innovative mopping features, this is a robot vacuum that promises to make your life easier, more efficient, and a lot cleaner. Keep reading, and you'll soon see why this device is a must-have for any household. Introduction to the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S10 Plus. The Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S10 Plus combines the latest technology in cleaning and mopping, delivering exceptional results every time it's in use. With dual-pad pressure mopping, 6,000 PA suction, and a host of intelligent sensors, this robot is designed to tackle everything from everyday dust to tough stains on your floors. Whether you have carpets, tiles, or hardwood, the Xiaomi S10 Plus will leave them sparkling clean without any manual intervention. Features that make the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S10 Plus stand out. Let's break down what makes this device so unique and why it stands out in a sea of robot vacuums. 1. Dual-pad pressure mopping for superior stain removal. Most robot vacuums offer a basic mopping feature, but the Xiaomi S10 Plus steps up the game with its dual-pad pressure mopping system. This feature ensures even pressure across the surface, allowing it to scrub away tough stains that ordinary mops can't handle. From coffee spills to dried mud, the S10 Plus tackles them all. 2. Powerful 6,000 PA suction. Suction power is one of the key differentiators when it comes to the performance of a robot vacuum. With 6,000 PA of suction, the Xiaomi S10 Plus makes sure that every speck of dirt, dust, or pet hair is efficiently removed from your floors. You can even adjust the suction power depending on the level of cleaning required, light cleaning for daily maintenance or max power for deep cleaning sessions. Number 3. Advanced navigation with LDS laser sensor. One of the most frustrating things about some robot vacuums is their tendency to bump into furniture or get stuck in tight spots. Xiaomi solves this problem with its LDS laser sensor system, which creates accurate maps of your home and intelligently navigates around obstacles. This means fewer interruptions during cleaning and more peace of mind for you. 4. Obstacle and drop avoidance with AI visual identification sensor. No need to worry about the robot falling down the stairs or getting tangled in cords. The AI visual identification sensor can detect obstacles and furniture, making the vacuum smart enough to avoid hazards. It also has a drop sensor to prevent it from falling off elevated surfaces, ensuring safe operation in multi-level homes. 5. Long battery life and quick recharge. Equipped with a 4,800 mAh battery, the Xiaomi S10 Plus delivers a long runtime, enough to clean up to 3,000 square feet in one go. When it needs more juice, it will automatically return to its charging dock, which recharges it in about 6 hours, ready for its next cleaning task. Imagine a typical day. Kids running around, pets shedding fur, and crumbs littering the floor. Instead of pulling out the vacuum cleaner and mop, you simply set the Xiaomi S10 Plus to do the job for you. With its advanced sensors, smart navigation, and pressure mopping, this robot vacuum can clean while you go about your day. You can even control it remotely using your smartphone, ensuring your home stays clean even when you're not there. For those with allergies, the high-efficiency filters in the S10 Plus will trap allergens like pollen and dust mites, improving the air quality in your home. Pet owners will also appreciate its ability to pick up pet hair without getting tangled, thanks to the dual brush system. Who should buy the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum Cleaner S10 Plus? If you're someone who values convenience, smart technology, and a pristine home, the Xiaomi S10 Plus is an excellent investment. Whether you have a large home or a small apartment, the robot can handle various floor types, from carpets to tiles, and even hardwood floors. Here's why the Xiaomi S10 Plus is perfect for you. Busy professionals, no time to clean? Let the Xiaomi S10 Plus take care of it while you focus on more important tasks. Parents, keep your home clean and safe for your kids without the hassle of constant vacuuming or mopping. Pet owners, the S10 Plus excels at picking up pet hair, making it easier to manage shedding. Smart home enthusiasts, with its AI-powered sensors, app integration, and compatibility with voice assistants, this robot vacuum fits perfectly into a tech-savvy household. Why the Xiaomi S10 Plus is worth every penny? Considering the level of cleaning this device offers, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum Cleaner S10 Plus provides exceptional value for money. The advanced features, such as dual-pad mopping, AI sensors, and powerful suction, are usually found in much higher-priced models. With the Xiaomi S10 Plus, you get premium features at a mid-range price point, making it a no-brainer for anyone looking for a capable and smart cleaning solution. Conclusion: time to simplify your cleaning routine. The Xiaomi Robot Vacuum Cleaner S10 Plus is more than just a household appliance. It's your new cleaning assistant. Its ability to handle everything from mopping to vacuuming, combined with intelligent navigation and obstacle avoidance, makes it a product that will quickly become indispensable in your home. Stop wasting time with manual cleaning and let the Xiaomi S10 Plus do the heavy lifting for you. From deep cleaning your floors to mopping away stubborn stains, this robot vacuum is a versatile, powerful, and smart cleaning solution that will keep your home spotless day after day.